What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy National Sushi Day. Today I am about to make a giant sushi roll inspired by a giant sushi roll I found on Instagram from California. So what we're gonna do is we're going to make a big batch of spicy tuna. I've already got some sushi rice that I have rinsed and it's sitting in a pot ready to start to cook. So let's get started. It's like totally gonna fall apart. Ugh. I love how I bought these like extra long chopsticks and there's absolutely no way I'm gonna be able to eat it with them. Yeah, right? Like, Oliver, do you want some food? You're on camera, just so you know.
Rather have him annoying.
Shane's thighs, everyone. I'm so excited to see this. Oh good, my ring is off. I do not want to get this all over. Oh my god, it looks pretty cool. Look at it. That's a lot of rice.
I'll leave you to it.
This spicy tuna that I made is so good. I didn't use a recipe or anything. So I thought we'd do something a little bit different today. I have written down some questions that I would love for you guys to answer. And I am going to give the same answers to all of your questions in my next video if I get at least 10 responses for that question. So if I get 10 or more responses for the first question, then I will answer myself the first question, and so on and so forth. Even though this is like completely unreasonable to eat, it tastes so good. I got all of my fish from Coastal Seafoods per usual. I just got some ahi tuna, and this is actually trout. It looks like salmon, actually trout. I haven't, here, let me try it by itself. It's got really nice flavor. Very, very similar to salmon. But I didn't even know that trout and salmon were so similar. So, I'm glad I got to try it today. So what I'm going to do is I'll ask each question and then I'll just kind of eat for a minute or two. You know, to let it marinate or whatever. Let you think about your answers, write them down if you want. Comment them while you're watching, what have you. I just got some mango. Mango is so good in sushi. Okay. First question. Who do you admire most and why? It can be anyone. They can be alive or dead. You can know them or not know them, doesn't matter. Can also be a fictional character. Oh, this is gonna fall apart, but it's okay. Okay, who do you admire the most and why? That was the first question. Second question, and I really like this one. What keeps you up at night? If anything does. You might be one of those freaks who just like falls asleep as soon as your head hits the pillow, like Shane. So is it like your family, your friends, money, your job? Tell me what keeps you up at night and what it is about it. Like why does it keep you up at night? This is some messy eating. I know there's plenty of you that like it, so I hope you're enjoying this because I feel like a disaster. Mm-hmm. Mm. I am so happy that I put the mango inside, and I'm so happy that I got this jalapeno. And normally it'd be way too spicy for me, but because this roll is so massive, it's actually fine. Okay, that was the second question. What keeps you up at night? Third question. What is your hobby or passion? And especially like maybe something people don't know that you love to do. I'm ditching some of this rice right now, guys. You guys better answer these, by the way. Don't make me look bad. I really want to know about you guys, and I really want to talk to you guys about these things for me. So yeah, answer. Damn it. Mmm. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is this is embarrassingly difficult to eat. Okay. So that was, what is your hobby passion? Next question. If you could change anything about yourself, what would it be? Oh no, I had lipstick on and I just smeared this all over my face. Oh well. Okay, so the last question was, if you could change anything about yourself, what would it be? And then the last question, as in the final question, is what do you like and not like about mukbangs? And if you want to answer this in relation to my channel specifically, you can. When I answer, it'll be just in general though. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, that was the rest of my questions, and I'm pretty full. I ate about, I don't know, a third of this thing. Total, it was around 2,500 to 3,000 calories. So a lot of rice. The rice has a lot of calories, and there's a lot of Japanese mayo between the topping and the spicy tuna mixture. So I ate just about 1,000 calories in this one meal. Not too terrible, right? I will leave the questions below in the description in case you missed them or need to look back at them. Thank you guys very much for participating in that, by the way. I thought it would just be something fun that we could do to interact with each other, to learn more about each other. So yeah, please answer those questions if you have a few free seconds. If you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is @the_hunger_diaries. And if you're not following me on TikTok, which I just started, it is @the_hunger_diaries, no underscores. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this video, thought that the giant sushi roll was cool, make sure you give this video a like, comment below what you loved about it. And if you want to see more videos like this and more of me, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every single time I post a new video to let YouTube know like what you want to see, there's a little bell icon next to the subscribe button. You can click that and you'll be notified, I believe, by email every single time I post a new video. All right, guys, thanks so much again for joining me. Don't worry, this will not go to waste. I will be eating it for leftovers and sharing it with my friends later this week. Have a great night, guys, and I will see you on Thursday.